Hey guys, it is Logitech here. I know I haven't posted in a while. I think the last video was no. Anyway, God, Jesus Christ. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. It's just, you know, exam period, so don't expect many videos.
God! No! God, please, no! No! No!
Now it's gonna sound funny, but the first thing I'm gonna recommend is a water bottle. Yes, because the NHS, you know, the National Health Service, you know, the people who help good old Gary, you know, Gary doing his thing, they say that not having enough water can cause headaches. So, I'm just gonna quickly recommend that you use a coaster before placing anything on your table. Now, in my opinion, you wanna get your monitor perfect. For gamers, you want a high refresh rate like 144 Hz, quick response time like 1 milliseconds, and you want to have good speakers, which are usually quite bass heavy to get those gunshots. Whereas creators, they prefer more real estate from a dual monitor setup or an ultra wide with a slightly higher resolution, and for the speakers, a more neutral tone with less bass. Now, the advantage of using double monitors is that I can have the game running on one and have my Discord chat running on the other to make things a lot simpler, and it's also very good for doing work. Now, I do believe that the stuff you do on your computer also influences your peripheral choice, i.e. your mouse and keyboard. For gamers, they want a mechanical keyboard and a mouse with lots of buttons on the side and a really high DPI, whereas creators prefer like a mouse like the Logitech MX Master with a scroll wheel on the side to go through the timeline. My mouse, for instance, has 11 buttons, 6 of which on the side, which I can use to melee, to prone, to lean, and to change my DPI on the fly.
Now, as you might have noticed, I'm kind of a Batman fan, and so my next thing for any gamer is to have a theme. And to add to this theme, you can have like pop vinyls, or a great example, I've got some Batman ones here, and one inside my PC. You could have posters, or it could be simple. It could just be a wallpaper on your monitor, and that's all you need.
Now, for those who know me, they will know that I am a huge RGB LED fan. They even call me RGB Manito, but I feel that it actually adds loads of character and amazingness to your setup, and it's really simple. In my case, I've got the Fantex Halo fan, which turns any fan into an RGB fan, a custom RGB backplate for my GPU, and my motherboard has RGB LEDs built in.
Now, the last thing on my list for the ultimate accessories for a gamer or just for a setup is the microphone.
Now, a microphone allows you to communicate really easy and clearly. I've got mine so I can use my Bose headphones, as you can see. In fact, this entire voiceover has been done on this microphone, which is a £30 microphone which comes with its own power supply, boom arm, and the microphone obviously. But you can see for yourself that it's a pretty good microphone for just under £30.
Thank you guys so much for Thank you guys so much for watching. Well, if you did, or if you stayed true to the end, or if you skipped to the end, thank you for clicking on my video. I hope that some of these things may be of interest to the more gamer people.
Hi.
Okay.
Gamers, all the people wanting to build a better setup. I'll leave all the links down in the description, or I'll upload them soon, so you can pick these up. Anyway, without further ado, thank you guys for watching. It's Logitech here.